This is banana with milk chocolate chip cake. So this is soft and moist. Delicious. Very easy recipe. So we're going to prepare two banana smash, then add 2 large eggs, mix very well. Then let's add 1 cup of milk, mix well again. Then let's add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then 1 tablespoon baking powder. Let's mix. Mix. Then add 1 cup of brown sugar. You can use white sugar too. Then let's mix again. Lots of mix, but it's very easy anyway. Then 1 cup of milk chocolate chip. Mix. Then 2 tablespoons cooking oil and a teaspoon of banana essence. Mix well, then transfer into the baking pan. So of course you have to spray the baking pan to avoid sticking. Bake in 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. And this is it. It's done. Try guys, it's very easy and yummy. This is moist and soft banana cake. Hope you enjoy.